Hello there, business owner. Let me ask you something. Does this sound familiar? You're juggling customer emails, try to post on social media, writing proposals, and somehow you're supposed to be the CEO, the marketer, and the accountant all at once. It's exhausting. And then you heard about AI, this magical tool that's supposed to save you time. So you tried it. You asked it to write a social media post, and you got something generic, maybe even a little weird. Or you asked it to help with emails, and it sounded like a robot wrote it. So you thought, this doesn't work for my business, and you went back to being overwhelmed. That's the number one mistake. Treating AI like a magic genie instead of what it truly is. The world's most patient, knowledgeable, and fastest intern. Section 1. The Magic Genie versus Brilliant Intern. The Magic Genie approach is vague. You make one wish, write a post, and hope for perfection. You're disappointed, and you give up. The Brilliant Intern approach is strategic. You give clear, specific instructions. You provide context. You ask for revisions. You get a draft you can work with in minutes, not hours. This isn't about being a tech expert. It's about learning a simple new way to delegate. And I'm going to give you the exact formula today. Section 2. The Prompt Recipe. Your fix in 3 steps. Every successful AI request, we call it a prompt, has just 3 ingredients. Let's break them down with a real example. Step 1. Give it a role. The who. Start by telling the AI who you want it to be. This gives it context and expertise. You are an expert copywriter for small, local retail shops. See? Simple. Now it's not just a robot. It's thinking like a marketing pro for a business like yours. Step 2. Define the task. The what. Next, be super clear about what you want it to do. The more specific, the better. Write a warm, welcoming email to announce our summer sale to our existing customer list. Notice the details? Warm, welcoming, announce summer sale to existing customers. This tells the AI the tone, the purpose, and the audience. Step 3. Set the goal and format, the how and why. Finally, tell it how you want the result and why you're doing it. This is where most people stop too early. The goal is to make them feel valued and excited to visit. Please write a subject line and keep the email body under 150 words. End with a clear call to action to visit the store. You are an expert copywriter for small, local retail shops. Write a warm, welcoming email to announce our summer sale to our existing customer list. The goal is to make them feel valued and excited to visit. Please write a subject line and keep the email body under 150 words. End with a clear call to action to visit the store. Boom! That's the recipe. Role plus task plus goal. With this, you're not making a wish. You're giving a clear, actionable brief. Section 3. Live demo. From mistake to mastery. Let's see it in action. First, the common mistake. See? It's nothing. No personality, no strategy. Useless. Write a sale email. Now watch what happens with our 3-ingredient recipe. Look at that. In 10 seconds, we have a complete, on-brand draft. Is it perfect? Maybe not. But it's a 90% solution I can tweak in 60 seconds instead of starting from scratch for 60 minutes. That's the win. Conclusion and recap. So let's recap the fix for the number 1 mistake. Stop asking your AI like it's a magic genie. Start treating it like a brilliant intern. Use the recipe, role plus task plus goal. Your challenge this week. Pick one repetitive task that's bugging you. Maybe it's writing a social media bio or responding to a common customer question. Open DeepSeek, it's free, and use the 3-ingredient recipe. Just try it once. Stick with me. In the next video, I'm going to show you your first 10-minute AI win. We'll automate customer service replies together. It's going to feel amazing. If this was helpful, do me a huge favor. Hit that like button and subscribe. It tells YouTube this helps business owners like you, and it helps me keep making these free tutorials. For the prompt template from this video and more free resources, check the description below. Love this process? Get 150 plus ready-to-use prompt templates in my small business AI toolkit to remove the guesswork. The link is in the description. Now let's keep learning. Thanks for watching. It's me, that internet guy, and I'll see you in the next video.